I got monetized in just 14 days using only my phone. Yep. Just 2 weeks I got monetized. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I did it. Don't go nowhere. Keep watching. Have you heard of silent live stream? Now let me tell you, silent live stream is a powerful trick. It gives you watch hour at the same time subscribers. Like for real. Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are trying to get monetized on YouTube and you are struggling with the watch hours, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use silent live stream to grow your channel and also to have your watch hours, even if you are asleep. Yep, even if you are sleeping. Here's what you need. Your phone, your YouTube mobile app, and you just hit the go live on your phone. That's it. So I'll be giving you a step-by-step tutorial because you need to do some things on the Chrome, yes, or on your browser. So I'm going to give you step-by-step tutorial, and I'll be placing the screen recording anywhere. Just watch out. It might be in any corner. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is to open your browser. Once you open, you hit the search button and put silent live stream. So you search that up and then you go to images. Now I'm hitting the first one. What you're going to do is screenshot it. After you screenshot it, you are going to cut out the excess parts, like how I'm doing, because you only need the silent live stream. After that, in that same browser, you're going to look for a beautiful picture. So I'm going to look for flower. Now I'm going to images. And okay, I like this one. Let me see. Okay, this one. So you're going to screenshot it again. And then you also make sure to cut out all the excess parts. That's it. Now from there, you go to your YouTube app. And then hit the plus sign. Once you hit the plus sign, you see mine is already on live. Now you don't want to hit any other thing, just that live. Now the first thing I usually do is to mute my mic. You mute your mic. And then you hit the pen icon. So you hit the pen icon. And then you hit the pen icon up here, like where your picture or your thumbnail is. You hit your pen icon and you will see take thumbnail or upload. So you're going to choose the upload thumbnail. Now, you're going to choose the silent live stream. That is what you're going to choose, silent live stream. And then you're going to save it. Save. Save, okay. The next thing to do, you see where they have title and my name. You are going to edit that part and put silent live stream. Silent live stream. Now, make sure your visibility is on public. Yes. Now, the next thing to do is select audience. You hit that and then you choose the no, it's not made for kids. That's what you're going to choose. That's what you're going to choose. You go back and then you go live. Now, after you are live, what you want to choose now is this your green screen. That is what you're going to choose. Now, when you choose your green screen, where you want to choose is, or what next you want to choose is the flowers. You choose your flowers and then you hit done. Now, after starting your live stream, what's the next step? The next step is for you to leave your phone and put it on charge and wait after 10 hours before you come back to your phone and end the live stream. After you end the live stream, you can start another silent live stream. And that's it. Trust me, you will get subscribers, you will get the watch hour. But those of you that might be doubting if this is going to work, just just go to my channel. You're going to see a whole lot of silent live stream. I left it there as an evidence. Yes, don't doubt this. This is a very useful method in getting your watch hours and at the same time getting more subscribers. Just make sure you're using this exact method, because if you use it, trust me, you're going to achieve your goal. Hope this video is helpful to someone out there. And if it does, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Go, you try this and come back with your testimonies. And also don't forget to share. I hope you love this video, and bye. I will see you in the next video. I love y'all. Bye.